great and it's affordable. Just $300 to $400 for a rifle made in America, and it's backed by a lifetime guarantee. And it features a great look.
The region's record-breaking rainfall combined with warming temperatures are raising concerns about valley fever.
When it comes to high fashion and the latest hairstyles, don't come to me. I have to admit, I have no idea. I don't pay any attention to these kinds of trends. Today on Truth for Life, however, we'll find out how God's guidelines for beauty are timeless. Alistair Begg takes us to chapter 2 in 1 Timothy. We're looking at verses 9 through 15.
Now we know.
Revive Men's Health Sacramento will check your testosterone.
What did he have, 37 of them?
Yep.
Or whatever.
So there hadn't been that many since then, since Barry retired. So since then it's been what? A couple of times.
Got presidential candidate Donald Trump with his position. You've got...
ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਗੀਤ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਓਗੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ
Sus accesibles a su necesidad. Punto número 5. 中國公司佢之後先至向蘋果公司。Dark milk， 这兩個字，以這兩個字為。
Medically proven options at choosematt.org. Traffic of the 10s every 10 minutes. Afternoons, we're in the middle. KPK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Sunshine for this afternoon. Hot. We're up to 90 to 94. Mostly clear tonight. Down to 53.
Getting cold on the side.